Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge is in this support region now that I already mentioned yesterday, and it is not a reliable scenario here, this move to the upside, but yeah, let's talk about it and let's talk about why I've got it all labeled here as an ABC structure with the C wave as a messy overlapping structure. So let's talk about that. A very, very difficult structure to deal with. As I said in previous videos, it requires close monitoring, basically babysitting, because on the Doge chart, a fourth wave bottomed, at least that's the assumption, early in May. So that's the idea. Wave 4 bottomed here around 12 cents. It could easily get another low. I mean, this here is not a reliable breakout structure that we're dealing with, but cryptos often rally from these ugly structures, and we can allow for that scenario as long as certain conditions are being fulfilled. The idea is that we're moving up in an ABC structure. I mean, that is based on the overall chart history and context. Wave 5, as highlighted in yellow, should reach sort of 26, 27 cents, and the fifth wave is an ABC structure. And it's likely that the A wave already topped. Sorry, not this A wave, that this A wave topped, yeah. But it's not the A wave of the fifth wave because it's too small. Larger degree projections and targets point towards like 26, 27 cents. Can always go a bit higher, but that's sort of the, for orientation for this fifth wave. So it doesn't make sense that the A wave topped at around 17 cents. It is an A wave in this yellow count, but it would only be the A wave of a larger A wave. Bear in mind that, so the base case is that wave 5 is an ABC structure, but bear in mind that A waves can be 3-wave movements. So it would be that ABC, right? This does not look like a 5-wave move. Can always change. As I said, this structure needs close monitoring, babysitting. Current thesis did actually hold up so far, and the idea was that this was an AB structure. We could now be moving up in wave C, very weak, however. I'd like to see that wave C get to around about 19.9 cents. I mean, that would be ideal. That's the 100% extension projection of the initial A wave to the upside, which topped here around the 4th of May. And that's just a common target for a C wave. And then from here, we'd like to see a B wave pullback after an ABC structure is completed. This would form circle A. Then circle B should start from there, should bottom somewhere in that region. I will tell you where that might be. And then a C wave rally could start from there in 5 waves. So there's a very clear condition, however, for this to unfold. So first of all, let's assume the price gets really to 20 cents. Then the upcoming B wave support would be between 16.5 cents and 13.3 cents. That's completely unreliable at this stage because we have no top in place yet I can use to measure that support region. Zooming in a little bit, you can see that this is ABC and the C wave as a 5-wave move. But the C wave is only a diagonal pattern, not an impulse. As you might have noticed, there's an overlap between waves 1 and 4. That is absolutely acceptable in a C wave because it could be an ending diagonal. Is it reliable? No. And below 15.5 cents, which is the 61.8 retracement, I don't trust the structure anyway, okay, because it's a diagonal and we're dealing with corrective structures only. But yeah, below that level, it's going to be very unreliable, and probabilities will shift towards another test of the lower support region. And the next support levels then would be 12.4 cents and basically 10.9, 11 cents. Yeah, in basically a scenario in which we could get one more low. But overall, I prefer here further upside. I mean, Doge is fighting. Yeah, the dog is fighting basically, but so far has not managed to, get us a proper reversal and upside breakout really. Yeah. So it takes patience. Yeah, it takes time, and the next structural resistance level is here. Previous swing highs around 17 cents. And then 17.5 cents, and then obviously the 20-cent level. So these are the next key levels to watch. At the same time, please observe the 15.5 cent support level, and below that level, the lower box comes into focus again. A little bit in no man's land, but we have a structure to track. that comes with clear parameters. That's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.